Hi, I'm Vijaya and I'm a rising sophomore at Lynbrook High School, and for my main project I'm making the CNC machine, and for my third milestone I got my motor to move my pen up and down, so here's a quick demo of that. So the movement is really minimal, but that's all I need for it to go up while the motors run around. This was, for me, like the most challenging constructional part because I had to figure out how to move the pen up and down and what to use. So after referencing a few videos and looking at my scrap DVD, I cut out a piece of it using the Dremel and the saw, and I cut out a piece that had gears and a slider that I could attach my pen to, and I took off one of the gears and I added it to my servo motor. And then after that I had to mount on my servo motor, which was hard as well, but I used a bunch of cardboard and tape and I slid it in. And right now what it does is that the servo motor runs and the gear on that touches the gear that controls the slider. Right now it's really unstable, so in my modifications I want to make this a lot more stable. So for my next milestone, which is my final milestone, I'm just going to be uploading G-code and making the entire thing draw. Thank you.